In this chapter, we shall be discussing about the right hand thumb rule. Right hand thumb rule is nothing but an angular displacement. So, if the curled fingers, now I'll be drawing a diagram which will be representing curled fingers gives the direction of the motion of a particle performing circular motion. Then the direction of the outstretched thumb gives the direction of the angular displacement vector. So how it is represented with the help of a right hand is now displayed in front of you. So this is a right hand palm which will be showing you the direction of an angular displacement. Okay, so it is outstretched thumb. Its outstretched thumb gives the direction of angular displacement vector which is in upwards directions. You can see over here clearly. Okay, so the axis of rotation to be held in the right hand with the fingers curled around it and the thumb outstretched. So in this case the angular displacement is shown by this diagram in the upward direction, which is a vector quantity. As we had discussed in the previous video that angular velocity is a vector quantity, so this also is a angular displacement is also a vector quantity as well. And now I'll be drawing a diagrammatic representation of curled fingers in the form of a circular motion, a particle performing a circular motion. Okay, this is a circular motion. I'm creating a particle performing in this anti-clockwise direction, just like the angular velocity which we discussed in the last topic. But that was angular velocity. This is angular displacement. Fine. So these are the 2 points. Particle from A will be moving to particle B. This is particle A, and that was the center of the circumference is drawn over here. From that we'll stretch a line which will represent this is the angular displacement of a angular displacement pointed outstretched. So this is the outstretched thumb d theta bar. This is the outstretched thumb. Okay, axis of rotation to be held in the right hand. Imagine the axis of rotation. This is the axis of rotation curled around it and thumb outstretched. This is a point B where the particle is at also this is a point A. So moment of particle displacement from one point to another. This is in anti-clockwise direction. So this is nothing but the displacement. This is a displacement of particle from point A to point B. Okay, and this one, and which is represented by d theta bar, angular displacement. This is the overall diagrammatic representation of right hand thumb rule. And the particle performing a circular motion. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.